We'll guide you through how to download and install Microsoft Word on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do. Word is one of the most popular word and text editors out there. So you can go and get it on your computer, and you can then go and start using it and creating and editing .docx files. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Without any other further ado, let's get started. Just make sure it's just full guide and don't skip ahead. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and open up a web browser. You can go and open up Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever you use. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to go and type in Microsoft 365 Office, as that is what Word is a part of. So go and type it in like so. Make sure you come to office.com like this, and here we are. So it is important to note that Word is paid. Now, it may be included at your workplace or school, by the way. So if you have a Microsoft account, it's worth signing in with that to go and see if it is. Likely it is. And if you don't, otherwise you can press buy. Then what you can do is go and scroll down here, and you can go and choose if you want to pay yearly or monthly. Choose the plan, and you can press buy now. When you press buy now, you'll log in with your Microsoft account, or you can create one. Or if you already have a subscription like me, or it may be included in your account, press sign in the top right and sign in with your account. After signing in, or if you've just gone and purchased it, press your profile icon in the top right and press view account. Come over to the left and you can go and press subscriptions. And then you go to the top right here and you'll go and see the option install. So what you want to do is go and click there, and you can then choose a language and choose the version and press install. Now, the great thing about this is, as well as Word, you're going to go and have the other Office programs, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. When it's downloaded, open your File Explorer and come to Downloads, and you then want to run the Office setup. Press yes, and it's going to go and start running and downloading the apps. Once it has, you can press search at the bottom of your computer and go and type in Word, and it should be there. Now, the first time you may go and you start using it, you may get prompted to go and sign in with your Microsoft account to activate it and just prove that you own it, which you'll need to do.